okay na yung 220, 190.
Flat 400.
Oh, mas mababa. Pababa na pababa si mama. Ba't tumatawag ako? Mas nagdidip eh. 20 years old, niregaluhan na ng karte yung magulang mo. What do you do for a living?
I work for my dad's company.
Oh! Binabalik mo lang sa kanya yung pasahod sa'yo.
Got it right.
What's up guys? Another watch, another day, ma'am. How are you po? Kamusta? Your name, sorry?
Jody po.
Ma'am Jody, nice to meet you. Saan pa kayo galing?
QC lang.
QC lang? Lakas na ulan, no?
Opo.
Bakit kaya?
Hindi ko din po.
Blessing yan, blessing yan.
Wala ko may trivia eh.
Walang trivia. Blessing lang yan, yun lang yun. So you're here today to get a watch. Sino po yung bibili?
Ako po, I'm gonna buy them a watch.
You're gonna buy 2 of them.
Yeah, for their anniversary gift.
Very surprised.
30th, parang mga 25th pa lang eh.
24th.
Galing ko. Silver. Semi-silver na yun. Malapit na yun. Si Mira told me that you were eyeing for a Cartier.
Yeah.
So we have here, we got some of the collections that we have for Cartiers. We have Cartier Tank, we have Cartier Solo, Must, may gold, and of course, meron tayo yung pinakagusto ng marami. Ano ba ang mas trip ni ma'am? Something steel o gusto niya twinning?
Actually, twinning sila. Pagpunta namin dito, gusto talaga nila leather kasi marami na daw silang steel.
Tama naman. And do you have any idea about the Cartier that you want?
I mean, going into the store, Cartier tank talaga, yung
Okay.
leather.
Sige. Because there's 2 type of tanks. Okay? Meron tayong tank na Must, meron tayong tank na Solo. Alright? So yung tank na Solo, usually mas mataas talaga yung price. So the difference is, kung makikita mo medyo pa-round yung dito niya when it comes to the case. However, sa tank na Solo is medyo flat. So the flat one is valued higher. Mas maraming may gusto nitong flat. This is the classic. This one has papers, this one has just gentry card. However, if you see the price, same lang sila. Bakit? Kasi mas desirable talaga yung tank na Solo. So it depends on your preference whether you want na may card or wala. Gentry card naman provides it parang ownership nyo na rin yun. Pag tinap nyo yun sa phone nyo, lalabas yung serial number, yung details ng watch. At least you hold on to that. That is proof of ownership. Next naman, for the ladies, we have something similar, but these are all tank Solo. Depende lang kay ma'am kung gusto niya yung steel or yung gold.
Steel.
Para talagang twinning, no? Kung magtatank, solo. Si ma'am, mag-solo ka na rin.
Nag-solo na rin.
Gusto niyo try?
Yeah.
Para ma-feel nyo. Kita mo, ang galing mo magbenta, pre.
On the spot ba yun?
On the spot
On the
yun,
spot
pre.
ka, no?
Wala, hindi ko kailangan ng Google. Nag-google lang ako bago matulog.
Wala ano, mga fan packs, gano'n wala.
Wala kay Patrick yun eh. Baka masapawan si Tangkad eh.
Gano'n nag-fan
Oo.
packs ka bigla, no?
Okay na yung mga sinabi ko. Ilan na kayo magkakapatid?
4 po.
4?
Opo.
And you are the eldest?
Second.
So what do you do for a living?
I work for my dad's company.
Oh! So binabalik mo lang sa kanya yung pasahod ko.
You got it right.
At least, di ba, binabalik.
Na-surprise kami mag-asawa.
Actually, me and my sister, we planned this. My ate.
Grabe.
Estudyante pa lang siya, pero she's working with my company. Kaya pala nagpapadagdag siya ng allowance. Yung pala
Yung
ay...
pala, babalik din pala sa inyo. Okay na yun. Ang galing, di ba? Ang bait. Pero after nito, tingin ko magpaparis yan. Do you mind? Of course, the strap is adjustable naman. We can adjust it. Just get a feel. Patingin nga, check natin. And don't worry, ma'am. If you wanna change later on something different with your watches, may mga straps kami pala.
Okay. Ano guys? Okay na yan? Yeah.
We'll be just consulting my role.
Sige, consult lang kayo. Sir, do you mind if I check your watch? Oh, naka-Rolex na si sir. This is the Blue Sea. Reference 16613. LB.
Parang encyclopedia.
Sa'yo naman, ma'am. Di ka bibili?
Hindi po.
Sure
Sila
ka?
muna unahing.
Mukhang malaki ang purchase nito next time. Bro. Gets ko na yung ginagawa niya eh.
Babawi po.
Babawi ka sa sarili mo.
Siya sa...
I'm 20.
20 years old, niregaluhan na ng Cartier yung magulang mo. Pre, saan ka nakakita nun? Nung 20 years old ka, Germany, ano niregala mo sa ano mo?
Sakit sa ulo. Kasi anak.
Totoo, 20 years old ka, may anak ka na?
Masipag kasi siya sa company ko, kahit maliit lang yung company namin.
20 years old, nagbigay ng gift sa mga magulang. Ikaw, nagbigay ka rin ng gift. Gift of blessing. Diba? Alright, sige. Shall we talk prices?
Yeah.
You paying cash, credit card?
Cash na lang.
Cash. Alright, so one is 228 and the other one is a little, cheaper. It's 198.
198, can I lowball it to 150?
No. Walang ganun. We usually give discounts around 2 to 3%, 5% max. Pero for this one, let me check. I'll be as fair as possible to you guys. I appreciate what you're doing. I really admire it. Parents, sarap regaluhan ng mga yan. 190 and 220.
50.
215 plus...
Yung total dark.
Yun na nga eh. Ma'am, okay na yung 220, 190.
Flat 400.
Oh, mas mababa. Hindi ma'am, balik na lang tayo dun sa kanina. Pababa na pababa si ma'am, habang tumatawad ako, mas nagdidip eh. Sige, I'll do 4 or 5 for both. That's the best I can do.
Okay.
Boss, done deal? Done. Thank you so much. Ma'am, maraming salamat. Done deal, done deal, done deal. And you get 2 hoodies pa, of course. So we sold 2 Cartier tanks for 405,000. Not bad na rin. May konti tayong kita pero ang ganda kasi, boy. All yung mga watches comes with 1-year warranty. So you have nothing. Yes.
Kami sa kanya, sir.
Yes, grabe. Kailan ba birthday mo, ma'am?
Next year.
Doon na tayo sa BGC na magkikita.
Okay.
It's opening really soon. Actually, within 2 weeks, hopefully open. What type of business are you in?
Driving school business.
Driving school?
Yes.
So ikaw yung nagtuturo mag-drive? Hindi naman.
Ay, hindi naman.
How long have you been in the driving school?
5 years already. Have 16 branches.
Wow! How was driving school? Sa aming kamote sa daan eh. Tinuturuan nyo talaga, no? Tapos, I think LTO needs your approval na, no? Before they are given licenses, di ba?
Mandatory requirement.
Meron talaga kayong binabagsak sa ano, na hindi marunong mag-drive to.
Assessment ng aming driver instructors. Pagka hindi talaga pasado, bagsak siya.
Our 2 driving schools is 125 Driving School and Kidem Academy.
Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Thank you so much. And ma'am, congratulations on... Is it the most expensive gift na na-receive nyo?
From them.
From them? Okay. Thank you po sir. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Congratulations sa business. Maganda yung daughter na binigyan pa kayo. Grabe ma'am. Congratulations po